Generate a pivot chart is actually very easy. So once you've generated the pivot table, it's basically, you just click on it, go to pivot table tools and click on pivot chart. And then you can just choose your pivot. There it is. That's how easy it is. So you can obviously change it. You can go into all the options and change how it looks. But what's interesting about it, every time I change the pivot, the chart will automatically change as well. So they are interlinked. So if I change something on the chart, then the pivot will change. So it doesn't matter where you change it, but they are linked to each other. So that's an important fact. But you can generate as much as you want, but only one chart per pivot because they are interlinked. So in that case, you will have to make sure that you get it right the first time. So yeah, just to recap, your pivot table and pivot chart links to each other. So effectively you can only do one chart per pivot because they are linked. So make sure you get your pivot format right, the way you want your rows and labels and categories to look, because that's going to influence how your chart looks.